Yeah. Blessing upon blessings. Yeah. Blessing upon blessings. Yeah. Them a watch me like a ark, waiting for my foot to slip. Trying to sink the vessel before I even start the trip. But Jah is my captain and the wind is in the sail. Man, a mountain climber, so you know me cannot fail. While them are sitting on the valley drinking cup of jealousy, I'm treading up the hillside with a higher energy. No bad lamp can dim this light, no matter how them try. Me see the promised land beneath a Caribbean sky. They were waiting on the fall, I was headed for the peak. Now the harvest is plenty and the outlook is unique. Stacked up the gratitude, blacked out the stressing. Now it's back to back wins, blessings upon blessings. Clean up the heart, man, and purge out the mind. Leave all the woulda, coulda, shoulda far behind. Like a cedar of Lebanon, my roots them deep and strong. Turn the heavy meditation into a redemption song. Now the fruit is ripe and heavy, hanging low upon the bough. They wonder how we make it, well just look at us now. From a tiny mustard seed to a giant forest tree. Abundance is the mandate and the spirit is free. They were waiting on the fall, I was headed for the peak. Now the harvest is plenty and the outlook is unique. Stacked up the gratitude, blacked out the stressing. Now it's back to back wins, blessings, palm blessings. Fire blaze for the doubters, water flow for the soul. Every step I take is under divine control. More loving at the pocket, more peace in the chest. So when you put in the work, then the Father do the rest. Blessings, palm blessings, yeah. From the peak of the mountain, we view the valley low, but we never look back, only forward we go. Harvest plenty, yeah. Unique outlook. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Bless up.